Everybody is looking for a stress-free way to travel abroad. If you dream of visiting Lithuania, but have struggled with Schengen visas, you need to watch this. Here's how Polytravis can make it simple. Did you know Lithuania has one of the highest Schengen visa approval rates for Africans? That's why Polytravis focuses on making your Lithuania visa application smooth and stress-free. Step 1. Visit www.polytravis.com. Fill out a simple form on and pay. Alternatively, simply WhatsApp at +2347078892808 to request. Step 2. Send your documents. Provide all the necessary documents. Step 3. You have to appear in person for biometrics capturing. Step 4. Get your visa decision. No more confusion, no more guesswork. Just clear expert support at every stage. Have questions? Chat us up on WhatsApp at +2347078892808 or email info@polytravis.com. Ready to start your journey? Visit www.polytravis.com now. Watching on YouTube, if you found this useful, hit the subscribe button below and click on the notification bell. Watching on TikTok? Click on the plus sign below Polytravis logo to follow. Also follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more travel hacks. Your dream trip starts with Polytravis, your trusted partner for seamless visa process.